Latozens. I'm Mayshine Seregal, Community Coordinator for Commercial and Community Specialist Gathering for Handaan. And this is my spotlight. Nakita ko yung posting about this position as Community Specialist sa Cavite Jobs way back October of 2021. That time, hesitant pa ako kung magpapasa ba ako ng application kasi medyo intimidating and challenging yung description ng job. Pero fast forward to January of 2022, open pa rin yung slot, kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not? As a community specialist, I consider this role and myself as someone in the front line. Lumalabas kami not only to look out for potential prospects, but also to bring awareness kung sino ba at ano ba si Lotus Development. Nagbe-build tayo ng connection sa mga anchor tenants and business people, also to the community through our community specialists. Kagaya lang din ng karamihan, family yung talagang pinaghuhugutan ko ng motivation. I used to be an achiever kasi nung nag-aaral pa, which led me to think na madali na lang rin in life. Hindi pala ganun yung reality. You are in a constant battle pala with yourself. In that state, kahit na down ako, may mga taong naniniwala pa rin at nagtitiwala na masasurpass ko yung hurdles, and that is them, my family. Unforgettable experience ko po is nung 2 months after ko ma-hire, 0 reservations talaga. Inisip ko noon na hindi ko na maipapasa yung probation period, pero totoo talaga yung kasabihan at yung favorite line namin sa team na kapag may itinanim, may aanihin. Kasi surprisingly, on my 3rd month, nagkaroon ako ng reservation. Unang reservation ko pa was a huge success kasi hindi lang isang property sa naglagay ng business, but 5 project sites. And tuloy-tuloy na siya hanggang ngayon. I believe wala naman akong hindi magandang experience kasi every day is a new challenge for me. May mas mabibigat lang talaga ng mga araw pero wala namang hindi kayang lagpasan. Kung meron akong experience na gusto ko rin ma-experience ng Latozens, yun ay yung sense of fulfillment na nabibigay ng isang successful reservation. To think na nag-start ka from scratch, from tapping prospects, to negotiation process, to eventually closing the deal. Tapos, makikita mo sa tenant na super happy sila kasi one step ahead na sila sa pangarap nilang business. Every single core value applies. Lalo na po kapag nakikita na rin na sobrang eager sila makapagsimula ng business. Lahat gagawin mo in your power para ma-help sila na syempre, both the company and clients are magbe-benefit. Pero mas na-appreciate and naisasabuhay ko is passion towards gathering. Especially ngayon as community gathering specialist for Handaan. Yung dedication, commitment, and yung lahat ng effort mabigyan ng memorable event yung client through Handaan na kahit working ka behind the scenes, is as fulfilling as what I do as community coordinator. Malaking bagay po talaga ang confidence boost lalo na sa line of work natin dahil client-facing tayo. Dahil mas confident na ako sa sarili ko, mas nagiging effective po ako and mas nagagampanan ko yung position ko ngayon. Pinaka-importante po sa akin sa lahat ng itinuro ng mga intakes, lalong-lalo na si Ma'am Jenny, is humility. I actually read some quotes and verses po about humility when I was pondering about it. And one quote struck me so hard and it says, "With humility comes wisdom." Simple but definitely says a lot. Isa sa mga contributions ko sa Lotus Development, I think is being a team player and always being there to support behind the scenes. It may sound small, pero I believe this contribution has a big impact overall. I think also being happy and fulfilled with my work contributes a lot kasi I can be more effective and efficient sa trabaho. This is to my occupancy and my events gathering team. Thank you for being the instrument for honing my skills and making me believe that I can and am capable of anything. I hope for more fruitful years with you guys. Sa aking dearest Lottozens and sa future Lottozens kung makikita man nila to, always live up to our core values. I believe these are the ingredients to success and syempre, in achieving our ultimate dream as a company. Let's make our core purpose a reality.